All right, we're standing here with Tim Mendez, our powder coat leader. So recently, we had opportunities with one of our main customers here at Plant 29 in California, and he came up with a great solution to as a quick fix for our customers to be happier and to run more efficiently. Tim, you want to explain to us how'd you fix the problem and how'd you come up with the idea?
Yeah, basically what we did is we made our product that we have in stock every day, bolt-on with some high tensile lock nuts. And basically we used the pattern in the bottom flange of our I-beam to secure it. I think it's structurally sound. It's definitely a lot better than some of the self-tapper bolts that other industries use. So I think this is gonna be a quick fix, and I think Genesis will be pretty happy with it. Jesse's gonna run it by him tomorrow, and then we'll get some feedback, and if we need to make some improvements and some altercations, we'll make that happen.
From California, this is Plant 29 team, Go Chassis.